If you are looking for a powerful cordless vacuum that won't break the bank, let me introduce you to my latest find, the Dreame R10 Pure. Inside the box, you get everything you need for a deep, precise clean. The main body, the multi-surface brush, 2 combination tools, a charging plug, the wall mount, a battery pack, and the extension rod. I was seriously impressed by the performance, especially for the price at under $200. Compared to the Dyson V8, the R10 Pure has better specs and at half the cost. It also outperforms the Levoit LVAC 200 when it comes to power, runtime, and efficiency. And how do I know this? After fully assembling the vacuum, giving the battery a full charge, which will give me 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, I was ready to put the Dreame R10 to the test. First up, carpet cleaning. The R8's powerful suction pulled dirt from deep within the carpet fibers. It easily picked up pet hair and fine debris. And thanks to the V-shaped bristles on the multi-surface brush, I didn't have to deal with any annoying tangles. Everything stayed smooth and hassle-free. With a 120,000 RPM brushless motor, it gave me the deep clean feel without loss of suction. Then I tried it on hard floors, and it even handled everything from dust to larger debris with no scattering, which is usually a problem with other vacuums. The wide suction head really made every pass count and helped me cut down on clean time. And for those dark, hard to reach spots, like under furniture, the built-in LED lights were a game changer. They lit up hidden dust so I didn't miss a thing. And emptying the dustbin, super easy. One press and it's done. I also tried out the attachments, and the combination tool was great for getting into tight corners and crevices, along baseboards, and in between couch cushions, leaving no debris behind. While the wide combination tool grabs dust in hard-to-reach places like keyboards, shelves, and even the windowsills that I usually forget about. My home has never been cleaner. Now let's talk about dust containment. The R10 Pure has a 5-layer filtration system that captures 99.9% of fine dust and allergens. I felt like I wasn't just cleaning my floors, I was improving my air quality too. I noticed that compared to other vacuums I've used, this one really locks in dust. Nothing leaked back into the air. Maintenance is simple too. The dust cup and filters are washable, so I can keep the vacuum running like new. After a quick rinse, I just let the parts air dry for 24 hours and reassemble. Super easy. You can also use a microfiber cloth for easy cleaning inside the dustbin. And the battery life? It runs up to 60 minutes on a single charge. That's longer than both the Dyson V8 and the Levoit LVAC 200, which means I get more done without constantly recharging. So who do I think the Dreame R10 Pure is perfect for? If you live in a smaller space and want something compact but powerful, this is it. If you have pets and deal with fur constantly, this vacuum gets it all. And if you're like me and want premium performance without the premium price tag, this one's a no-brainer. Check the link in the description to grab one for under $150. That's an exclusive deal that won't last long. Thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video.